In this video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Microsoft Planner. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft and make sure to sign in into your account. Do take note that you need to have a paid subscription in order to access this. Click on the sign in and provide right here your email, phone, or Skype, and then provide next your actual password in order to access it. So I have in here my actual planner, and you can find right here my board. So Microsoft Planner does not have a built-in time tracking feature. So if you want to track time with this, you must use a third-party integration like Tracking Time. You can head over to trackingtime.co and you can find it right here. Proceed to click on this, try it free or get started. So I've already clicked on this and here is our actual onboarding. For this case, let's create a new account based on this. It can be a freelancer setup or a team setup. So input right here your organization name as well as your name right here. Once you have inputted your details, you will be prompted with the onboarding. So just choose right here the features that you will need. I'll choose right here all of this and click on continue. And then after that, just wait for the onboarding to finish. We have now in here this. With this, we just need to set it up. Click on the setup option and you can choose the desktop app or integrate it with other application. You can click onto this option right here and then this will open this Chrome Web Store. So for this one, you can also use it since I'm using Microsoft Edge. Just click onto this get extension, click on allow, click on add extension, and after that, this will install the extension for us. Now just wait for this to successfully load. As you can see, it's been successfully installed. So what you can do is you can just utilize this. Click on this right here, then click on your time tracker. Then this will open in here this time tracking options. This will open in here this option. So let's search in here for planner. Make sure to enable it there. Click on allow. Then after that, this will refresh our actual planner right here. Once you're on your planner, you should be able to see this option right here for assign tasks as well as this right here. Just click on the display option and then this will start the tracking of your time, which will then be logged right here into your time tracking option. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.